Canva AI is a powerful tool. It helps you create amazing visuals. It doesn't matter if you're a design expert or just starting out. Canva AI makes it easy for everyone. With Canva AI, you can create professional-looking designs. You can make social media posts, presentations, and more. Canva AI is user-friendly and has many features. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make their content stand out. Canva AI uses artificial intelligence. This helps you create better designs. It can generate ideas, suggest improvements, and even create designs for you from scratch. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or student, Canva AI can help you save time and create amazing visuals. Canva AI has many features that make it incredibly easy to use even for those who are not tech-savvy. One standout feature is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which simplifies the design process. With just a few clicks, you can easily add various elements to your designs, such as images, text, and shapes. Canva AI offers a vast library of templates, images, icons, and more, giving you endless possibilities to choose from. Another incredibly helpful feature is the text-to-image generator, which can save you a lot of time. Simply type in a description of what you want, and Canva AI will create a custom image for you in seconds. This feature is perfect for creating unique and custom graphics quickly without needing advanced design skills. Canva AI also includes a suite of AI-powered tools that can enhance your design experience. These tools can help you make significant improvements to your designs in just a few seconds, making your work look more professional. For instance, the Magic Eraser tool can effortlessly remove unwanted objects from your images, giving you a clean and polished look. Additionally, the Magic Write tool can assist you in writing better copy for your designs, ensuring your text is engaging and effective. These features collectively make Canva AI a powerful tool for anyone looking to create stunning visuals, whether for personal or professional use. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned professional, Canva AI has something valuable to offer for everyone. Canva AI is a game changer for online entrepreneurs and marketers. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, this tool can revolutionize the way you create content. It can help you create professional-looking visuals that will make your brand stand out. From eye-catching social media posts to stunning website graphics, Canva AI has got you covered. You can use Canva AI to create social media posts, ads, website graphics, and more. Imagine having the power to design everything you need for your online presence in one place. One of the best things about Canva AI is that it's very affordable. You don't have to break the bank to access high-quality design tools. There's a free plan that gives you access to basic features. This is perfect for those who are just getting started and want to test the waters, or you can upgrade to a paid plan for more features and storage space. The premium plans offer advanced tools and additional resources that can take your designs to the next level. If you're serious about growing your online business, you need to be using Canva AI. It's not just about creating visuals, it's about building a brand that resonates with your audience. It's the most powerful and affordable design tool on the market. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, even those with no design experience can create stunning visuals. It can save you time and help you create amazing visuals that will attract more customers. By streamlining your design process, Canva AI allows you to focus on what really matters: growing your business and engaging with your audience. Canva AI has received rave reviews from users all around the world. People love how easy it is to use and how powerful the AI features are, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their design experience. Many users say that Canva AI has helped them create better designs than ever before, transforming their creative process and boosting their productivity. Canva AI is a game changer. It has revolutionized the way people approach graphic design. I'm not a designer, but I can create professional-looking graphics with Canva AI, says John S., a satisfied user. The AI-powered tools are incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Magic Eraser and Magic Write are my favorites. These tools make editing and writing so much easier and faster. They save me so much time, allowing me to focus on other important tasks. Sarah J. Canva AI is an essential tool for anyone who wants to create amazing visuals, whether for personal projects or professional work. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with powerful features that cater to both beginners and seasoned designers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Canva AI can help you take your designs to the next level, offering a wide range of tools and templates Try Canva AI today and see the difference for yourself. Experience the future of graphic design with ease and efficiency.